What is up, you Tarver Academy sword horses out there? You guys ready to learn? You're like, what's a sword horse? It's a unicorn. It's a horse with a sword on its head. It's unicorns. They're real. You know that? It's our mascot. Okay, let's learn. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Love to do this more with you. Teaching, math, learning. Let's go. If S equals 4t minus 7, what is t equal to? Okay? Pause it. Give it a shot. After you answer it, come on back and let's learn. Ready? Okay, here we go. So what I've got is I've got an equation here. Now, those are uppercase letters, so it's kind of weird, but whatever. You're going to see that. I want you to feel like you've seen it before if you hit it on a test. What is t equal to? What you want to do is all you want to do is you want to isolate the t. And so I just need to get the t by itself on one side of the equal sign, okay? So it's like when you're picking teams for sports, you know, you're picking teams and you're all trying to like separate to the other team. That doesn't make sense. Like it's like LeBron. He's so good, like you have to put a full team together just to face one guy. That's not a good analogy. Okay, it's like dodgeball. Okay, you've got like one great dodgeball player, everybody else goes to the other team, so it's a fair match. Y'all can play each other. Nailed it, third try. Okay, S equals 4t minus 7. I want to get my t by itself. This is the special little letter, so I got to get everything else to the other side. As we do with every math equation, we got to get everything across the equal sign, which means we got to do the opposite. Okay, let's start with what's furthest away from t. The 4 and the t are like best friends forever right there. So we need to get rid of this one. So what's the opposite of minusing 7? Adding 7. So it's s, that's an 8. S plus 7 equals 4t. Hey, that's like a toddler size, maybe? I don't know. All right, we're almost done. To get t by itself, you got to get rid of the 4. Do not subtract 4. That's where people mess up. You have to do the opposite. It's 4 times t. So what's the opposite of multiplying? Dividing. So we're going to divide both sides by 4. That cancels out, and that's it. I could rewrite it, but it's the same thing. S plus 7 divided by 4 equals t. I can't really simplify that 4 in there without like making it messy, so I would probably leave it like this. S plus 7 over 4 equals t. Let's check our problem, make sure we answered it. If S is this, what is t equal? T equals that. You're done. You got it. You aced it. You're the best math person in the world. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to have a wonderful day, and always be learning. Peace. Later. We done. Bye.